What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Matt and Max Show. My name is Matthew Miles. Thanks for joining us. As always, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on notifications, all that blah, blah, blah jazz. Today, this is a really cool, just quick little tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can post to Instagram from your computer. It can be your laptop, your desktop, your MacBook, your Dell, your HP, whatever. It doesn't matter. This is a really simple little quick tip and trick. And when somebody finally showed this to me, I was like, yes, finally, thank God, because there's so much more I can do with my computer than I can do with my cell phone at the moment. And so I've been waiting for somebody to come out with this trick, and it is so easy. Anybody can do it. With that said, let's jump on into it. Alright, so here we are. Here's our little video today, how to post Instagram from your computer. This video will be in our little mini series tips and tricks. Most of them are for the Builderall software, which is simply the software we use to make websites and do digital marketing stuff. This is just a fun tip and trick for anybody out there because everybody loves Instagram. All right, real quick before we jump on into that, I just figured this out. This is really cool. This, of course, is our YouTube channel that you're watching. And over here we have links onto stuff. We figured out how to put a 7-day free trial to the Builderall software. So that's right there. If you go to our YouTube home screen, click on that, you can get a free trial to one of the amazing softwares that we use. For the tip and trick of the day, what you're going to want to do, okay, make sure that you have Chrome downloaded and installed on your laptop. Once you have Chrome, open it up, go to a new tab in Google, and you're going to type in Chrome account switcher. Actually, you know what? I will just leave a link in the description below the video. So if you want a link to come here and get it, there'll be a link right below the video. You can also go to Google, punch in Chrome account switcher. Okay, yeah, so here it is. User account switcher for Chrome, offered by Google.com. I will leave a link to this guy in the description of the video. Once you get here, there's all sorts of different options down here. These are all from different software companies. I, of course, got the one that's offered by Google just because I tend to trust Google the most than other add-ons for your software browser. Always be careful when you are adding a bunch of stuff to your computer. You can add malware, you can get viruses. So that's why I went with one from Google. It'll have a little button right here that says add to Chrome. So click that. As soon as you do, it takes 2 seconds and then it'll say added to Chrome. It will bring the little icon up into your Chrome toolbar menu up here. And now, so what this does is it tricks your computer into thinking that you are on an iPhone or an iPad or an Android phone. And if you click on it, you can see that you can use any of these that you select now. Chrome will display the browser as if from that type of device or that type of computer, whether you're in Safari, Firefox, a Windows phone, Android phone, an iOS phone, etc., etc. Okay, then when you come over to Instagram, this is the normal computer version of it, right? There's all just the normal things. You cannot add a video or a picture or a post whatsoever at all. So now with our sweet little Chrome extension, account switcher extension, you just come up here and you go into it and whatever you like best. I tend to use Apple products all the time, so I'm going to use an iPad or an iPhone version. You just click on it and then it switches your Instagram account to the iPhone version of the account. Now, one thing when I've had a couple people that have showed this, they got stuck, and that is when you go in here and you're going to add a photo, because you are not on your iPhone, Instagram, the settings between your computer and Instagram there's a disconnect there. So a lot of times when people come in here and then go in to add a photo, it won't give them the option to select any of their photos because they're a different file type. They're saved as a different file type. So you have to go in wherever it is on your computer, and right here, options, you have to go in here and go to all files. Once you do that, then you'll be able to select the videos, pictures, and stuff that you have on your computer and post on Instagram. Here, I'll give you an example real quick. This is just a cool picture of my old Mustang. And now, just like when you're on your phone, all right, yeah, now everything should be exactly the same as posting from your phone. So if I move this here, you can see we can go to filter. And if we come down here, here's all your different filters you can select from. You can, of course, edit your picture. You can go, once you're done editing, you go to next. You can, of course, add a caption, location, tag people, and then share it. And it should all work exactly as if you are posting to Instagram from an iPhone or an Android or whatever. And then the last little tip here is, once you're done posting videos to Instagram or whatever, if you want to get back, you want to get your computer back to the way that you're used to having it, make sure you go back up to your little account switcher here. Let's just kill Instagram. Make sure you go back to your account switcher, and right here, if you go to Chrome, go back to default, or else anything else that you look at on your computer, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, browsing, whatever, anything that you do inside of Chrome will be done from the point of view of display tool you decided to use, whether it was an iPhone or an iPad or Android phone, Android pad, a Nook, whatever. So yeah, just make sure that you go back to your default settings. Enough said and done. So that is it. That's our quick tip and trick for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, give us a follow, turn on the bell for notifications, leave us some sweet comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, much love.